Happy Friday, folks, and welcome back to Remote Life with Jacq. If you're ready for real remote jobs that are hiring right now with great pay, make sure you stay until the end because you don't want to miss these opportunities. Our first role is coming from Globe Life as a customer retention representative. This is a full-time remote role within the United States. The schedule will be Monday through Friday. So what you will do in this role, you will handle cancellation calls, contact customers with lap policies, and you will also recommend solutions to retain coverage. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED. They would like to see basic Microsoft Office skills, and you must be able to type 30 words per minute. So this is a solid remote opportunity for someone with customer service or call center experience who is comfortable handling high volume calls and retention conversations. So if you're interested in the customer retention representative with Globe Life, the link is in the description to apply. Our next role comes from Globe Life as well as a customer service representative. This is a full-time remote role as well. So what you'll do in this position, you will assist policyholders with coverage questions, claims, payments, and policy information through phone, email, and correspondence. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED. They will also like to see 30 words per typing minute. You also should have basic PC skills, strong communication, and organizational skills. So for this role, this is a great fit for someone with customer service or call center experience who is also comfortable handling high volume phone interactions and solving customer questions remotely. Also, this is an entry level position. So if you're new to work from home or if you just want to restart your career over, this will be a great opportunity for you to get your foot in the door. The link for the customer service representative with Globe Life will be in the description to apply. Our next role comes from Insight Health as a support specialist. This is a full-time remote position within the United States. The salary range starts at $18, ending at $20, which all depends on your location and experience. So what you will do in this role is you will manage support tickets, emails, inbound and outbound calls. You will troubleshoot login issues and assist patients and providers with healthcare technology. So for this role, you must have strong computer skills. They would like to see Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, and Monday.com skills. They would like for you to have great organization and problem-solving skills. So this is an AI-first company, so you must have comfort using tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and workflow automation is required. So again, this role does pay $18 starting and ending at $20, which all depends on your location and experience, and you are eligible for a monthly bonus up to $1,000 based on company and individual performance. So that is definitely a plus. So if you're interested in this position with Insight Health, the link is in the description to apply. Our next role comes from AAA as a remote emergency roadside telephone responder. This is a full-time remote role. So AAA is hiring for a full-time emergency roadside telephone responder for the virtual call center. Schedules beginning at 1 p.m., 2 p.m., and 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So again, this is a work-from-home position. Candidates must live in those following states to be considered. So if you're within those following states and you're interested, the link is in the description to apply. So the starting base would be $10, ending at $19, which all depends on location and experience. You are paid for a 3-week virtual training and all equipment is provided. So for this role, you will handle about 40 to 60 inbound calls daily from members needing roadside assistance. You'll be gathering vehicle location details information using mapping tools and coordinate services. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED. 1 year of customer service experience is preferred, strong communication and multitasking, and computer skills. So again, you'll be answering that high volume inbound calls from members needing that roadside assistance. And the virtual training class will begin on October the 12th, and it will last for about 3 weeks. So if you are interested in the remote emergency roadside telephone responder with AAA and you're within those following states, the link will be in the description to apply. Our next role comes from Pearson as a Associate Customer Service Associate. This is a full-time remote position within the United States. So what you will do in this role, you will handle provider, license, and client questions through phone, chat, and email. You will generate approval, renewal letters, and update course credits and contact information. For this role, the schedule is 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. They would like to see 5 years of customer service experience plus strong Microsoft 365, Excel, and Word skills. For this application, it is due on August the 24th. The hourly rate is $20 starting, ending at $21, which all depends on your location and experience. So this is a remote customer service offering 20 to 21 hour with consistent daytime schedule and a mix of phone, chat, and email support. So if you're interested in the associate customer service position with Pearson, the link is in the description to apply. Our next role comes from Cardinal Health as a specialist customer service with Wound Care Rare Disease Program. This is a full-time remote position within the United States. So what you will do in this role is support patients with wound care orders from start to shipment. You will verify insurance, collect medical records. You will handle prior authorizations and coordinate with providers. So for this role, you must have 2 to 4 years of experience is preferred. They would like to see a bachelor's degree. It is preferred. It is not required, but you must have a high school diploma or GED. They would like to see experience with customer service and great communication, organization, and attention to detail skills. So for this role, the hourly starts at 22, ending at 28, which all depends on your location and experience. This application is due to close on August the 27th. So if you're interested, the link will be in the description to apply. Our last 2 roles come from CVS. The first position is a health advocate, outbound calls, healthy outcomes team. This is a full-time remote role. It is available in 34 locations. So if you're within those 34 locations and you're interested, the link is in the description to apply. So what you'll do in this role, you will make inbound, outbound calls to Medicare members and providers. You will help schedule screenings, vaccinations, healthcare visits, and assist with medication refills. You will also educate members, help remove barriers to care, encourage healthy behaviors, and document interaction and health records. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED. They would like to see customer service or call center experience. Also for this role, it does start the pay at $17, ending at $34, which all depends on your location and experience. So this application is due to close on the 22nd. So if you're interested, the link is in the description to apply. Our last role from CVS is a customer service representative. This is a full-time remote position. For this role, it is available in 16 locations. So if you're within those 16 locations and you're interested, the link is in the description to apply. So what you'll do in this role is help members, employers, and healthcare providers with benefit and claims questions. You will also research and resolve issues, document interactions, and provide guidance and resources. You will also use AI tools to support customer service. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED, and they would like to see 6 months of customer service experience. So for this role, the pay does start at $17, ending at $31, which all depends on your location and experience. Also for this role, you must work in Eastern Standard Time or Central Standard Time Zone. So this is a great option if you have customer service experience and you want to move into the healthcare field. CVS provides extensive training, coaching, and equipment and opportunities for growth. This application does not have a deadline, so if you're interested, you are more than welcome to apply. The link is in the description to apply. All right, folks, that's it for today's job leads. If one of these roles fit what you have been looking for, don't sit on it. Remote jobs like this move fast, and the best ones get filled quickly. Tap in, apply smart, and I will catch you in the next video drop. Thank you for watching.